Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export files from Bluestacks 5 to our computer or laptop. Let's do this. Firstly, we need to open our System Apps folder and click on Media Manager. Okay. Now we need to choose our file, for example this, and in upper right corner we need to click Export to Windows. Okay, click on this button. And now we need to choose a safe path for our file. Okay, let's save on desktop. And now click on select folder. Yeah. Okay. Okay, our file is saved to the desktop. We can open it. Yep. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.